Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car wash brush in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car wash brush that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Mother's long-handled brush. This brush is designed for wells and wheels, but with a longer handle than most similar brushes, it can be used almost anywhere on your vehicle. The soft bristles mean that you can use this without fear of scratches or scrapes, and the rubber bumper helps you focus on getting your car clean, not avoiding any accidental scrapes and marks. This is a long-handled car wash brush that should be comfortable to use because the handle allows you to reach into almost any tight space with the brush's compact head, and it also comes with an ergonomic, non-slip grip to help you get the leverage you need to wipe away those stubborn bits of dirt. Moving on at number 4, we have the Doka Pole 5-12 Soft Bristle Car Wash Brush. This soft bristle brush from Doca has an extension pole that provides up to 12 feet of reach, though you can collapse the pole down to 5 feet when you don't need the extension. It features flocked synthetic bristles for maximum softness, which continue around the brush head in a 5-sided angled design for the best range and maneuverability when cleaning your vehicle. This wraparound design also protects your car from accidentally getting damaged while cleaning with bumpers around the edges. Unfortunately, you can't tighten the brush completely, which can cause it to spin while you're using it, and it gets worse when the components get wet. Also, the aluminum pole may scratch your vehicle if you knock it into your paint, and it can bend if you're not careful. At number 3, we have the TTRCB Car Wheel Brush Set. The 18-piece TTRCB Car Wheel Brush Set includes everything you need for cleaning wheels, including 5 detailing brushes, 3 wire brushes, 3 car detailing drill brushes, a 17.0-inch long handle wheel rim brush, a tire brush, a car wash mitt, a microfiber wax applicator, 2 air outlet brushes, and a microfiber cleaning towel. The drill brush attachments are compatible with most cordless screwdrivers or drills, while also being wear and heat resistant. The 3 wire brushes consist of stainless steel, brass, and nylon brushes. The wheel and tire brushes are specially designed to extend into the inner wheel and grooves around the wheel. All of the different types of brushes included in this kit are multi-purpose and made from high-quality materials. The TTRCB Car Wheel Brush Set was incredibly effective at cleaning our test vehicle's wheels. We used this brush set in tandem with Sonak's wheel cleaner to perform a professional-grade clean of our car's wheels. This wheel brush kit was relatively easy to use, and we had little to no problem with any of the brushes featured in the set. The only thing stopping this car wash brush from having a higher ease of use score was the fact that you need to separately purchase a cordless drill to be able to use the drill attachments, as a drill is not included in the box. For the most part, all of the brushes featured in this kit were undetectable after use. However, the stainless steel brush left a few scratches on our test vehicle's wheel. Our team would like to note that the scratches were so small they were nearly undetectable and may have been caused by overzealous scrubbing. This wheel brush set was incredibly effective at cleaning the dirt, grime, and brake dust off of our test vehicle's wheels. For wheels that had only been washed twice before in nearly 20 years, the wheels came out looking nearly brand new. At number 2, we have the Carrand Car Wash Brush. While telescoping poles can be useful, they're not all of the same build quality. Many telescoping poles click in and out of place, which makes using the brush exponentially more difficult to use, whereas the Carrand 93062 Car Wash Brush extends and retracts with ease and stays locked in position while cleaning. This dip brush has a reach of 65.0 inches thanks to its telescoping pole, while a soft brush head further extends your reach as it is 10.0 inches in length. For extra control, the brush's pole features foam grips while the brush head features rubber bumpers to avoid scratching your car's paint. As this car wash brush has such a long reach and wide brush head, it's suitable for not only cleaning your car, but also trucks, SUVs, and RVs. The Carrand 93062 car wash brush looks more like a brush for sweeping than it does a brush for washing cars, but this car wash brush works really well. There's not much that can complicate the process of using this car wash brush, as it is simple by design. However, the fact that the brush head is locked into place and doesn't rotate at all leaves a little bit to be desired in terms of ease of use. Unfortunately, this car wash brush was not completely undetectable, as it shed bristles across the exterior of our testing vehicle. Additionally, this car wash brush left a few smear marks from where we scrubbed the car to remove built-up dirt and grime. The dip brush works well at cleaning a car, but not incredibly well. While you won't have many problems washing a car with this brush, it won't provide much in the way of added features. And finally, at number 1, we have the Anngrowy 62 inches car wash brush. Although the Anngrowy 62 inches car wash brush doesn't have water flow through functionality like some of the other brushes featured in this video, it's still a very high quality and effective car wash brush. This car wash brush has 2-in-1 functionality, as it can be used as a brush and a car wash mitt. The pole of this car wash brush is made from aluminum alloy and features a stuck fixing method, which ultimately means you won't have to worry about the telescoping pole retracting in the middle of cleaning. Additionally, non-slip grips in a mop head that swivels at 180.0 degrees mean you'll always have a good grip and the ability to reach all of the nooks and crannies. It should also be noted that this product comes with a 1-year warranty. The Anngrowy 62 inches car wash brush looks more like what you'd imagine when you think of a car wash brush than some of the other products featured in this review. Regardless of how simple the design of this brush looks, it is highly recommended by our team. Simplicity of design is one of this car wash brush's standout features. The only reason this car wash brush doesn't have a perfect ease of use score is because the brush head rotates 180.0 degrees rather than a full 360.0 degrees. This car wash brush was nearly undetectable after use. Apart from a few small swirl marks, there was no sign of a brush being wiped across our testing vehicle's exterior. This car wash brush worked really well at cleaning and was hands down the best standard brush without a hose attachment for washing a car. Even compared to brushes with water flow through features, this car wash brush can hold its own with the best of the best.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.